Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to see incognito history. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Chrome browser, and then in the search bar you will have to type Chrome URLs. Once done, you will be able to find this section which says Chrome // Chrome URLs. So you will have to tap on this link, and then you will be able to see the first website from codeopen.io. So you will have to tap on the link of hidden Chrome URLs. Then you will be landed on this page where you are going to see a bunch of different URLs and the hidden URLs. So you just have to scroll down, and here you will have to try to find the option of Chrome/history. So once you have found Chrome/history, you simply need to tap on it, and then you will be redirected on the next page where you are going to see all of your incognito mode history. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.